Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are baking some bread rolls. Let's get started. Let's start with 500 grams of high protein bread flour, 10 grams of yeast, 30 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, 25 grams of powdered milk, 40 grams of butter that is in cubes. One egg, 230 milliliters of water. Now let's mix until a dough is formed. Lightly flour your workspace. Keep kneading until you have a smooth dough. Now put the dough in a well-oiled bowl. Cling wrap it and let it proof for an hour or double in size. Now lightly flour your workspace. Divide the dough into 24 pieces. Don't worry about the weight or size, just eyeball them. Now let's take one piece and cut it in half. Take two of them and roll it into long ropes. Now take both dough and make an X. From the top, take the dough that's underneath and cross it to the top. Do not taper the ends, keep repeating until it is used up. Now repeat at the bottom side. Starting from the small end, slowly fold it into the middle. Now taper the small dough that is protruding to the bottom. Repeat for the rest of the dough and let it rest for an hour. Brush the dough with room temperature melted butter. Bake for 210 Celsius for 12 minutes. Brush again with melted butter while it's hot and transfer to a cooling rack. You can use salted butter here if you want a saltier and flavorful bun. But do not use salted butter before baking, or it will be too salty. Enjoy!